Let's take a look at EIN in German, and we're going to look at this with the nominative, the accusative, and the dative case. There's also genitive case, the fourth case of German, but we're just going to look at these main three. EIN in English means a or an. These are the indefinite articles. So go ahead and take a minute to create your own chart using the given options below. This dash or blank means there's no ending. There could also be an E ending, an EN, an ER, or an EM. So go ahead and take a look at those and see if you can fill in your own chart. Go ahead and pause this video and resume when you're ready for an explanation and to check your endings. Go ahead and pause now. Welcome back. So you've now gone ahead and completed your chart, and we're going to go ahead and do that together. So in the nominative case, there's no ending. E. No ending. E. I call this blanky blanky. So that's kind of how I remember that. The nominative case is when it's the subject of the sentence, or it might show up in the predicate nominative of a sentence. So I could have, different sentences. The accusative case. The accusative case is used with the direct object. So I'm going to go ahead and write a sentence here. Der Junge kennt den Vater. The boy knows the dad. So in the context of this sentence, we have the boy, which is a masculine, and we have Vater, which is also masculine. So this is using the thes. We're going to go ahead and change that to our EIN words in just a second. But first, let's double check our endings for the accusative. So EN, E, blank, E. Oops. So blanky, blanky, any blanky. So we can change the sentence, which has both a subject and a direct object, utilizing this chart. So we would say, well, the boy is the subject of the sentence. So a boy. Ein Junge kennt ein. And we have to use the en ending because this masculine noun is now the direct object of the sentence. So ein Junge kennt einen Vater. A boy knows a father. And that would be an example utilizing both a subject and a direct object. So nominative case and accusative case. All right. Now let's take a look at the dative case. So the dative case is very similar to our der or the chart. So we're going to follow the Mr. Minnesota pattern again. If you've watched my other videos, I've talked about that. So MR is Mr. So MR, Minnesota in the United States, is MN, is its state abbreviation. So MN. MR, MN. MR, MN. Emerymen, which is kind of silly, but those are the endings. So blanky, blanky, any blanky, Emerymen. Those are the different endings for the EIN chart. The dative case would be an indirect object, and you could also use those with dative verbs, and the same would be true for with dative prepositions, as well as with the accusative case with accusative prepositions. Dative case, you also have to worry about, yes, there are dative verbs as well. But hopefully you can check your chart and see how you did, and give yourself 100%. Gut gemacht.